Hi guys, welcome back, or should I say welcome? It's been a minute. Yeah. I am gonna take you guys on my date. I'm going on a date today with one of my friends, and we're just gonna enjoy life, chop life, you know. I'm gonna start getting ready. I was cleaning the kitchen and all that jazz. Haven't decided what I'm wearing. I'll sort of figure it out as I do my makeup. It's between this stuff. But yeah, we're going to meet at Mai Katiyo in Hawthorne, and as per usual, I'm running a bit late. Not really, I'm on time. I haven't started running late yet, but I should be leaving by about 4:30, and now it's 3:40, so I have about 15 minutes to get ready. My hair needs a wash, needs to be done, so I'm just going to put it in a bun. Yeah. I'm gonna go from there. Let's talk about late. Remember I was saying, hey, I'm not late. I should have left like 20 minutes ago. I'm putting my dress on and we're leaving now. This is what my makeup looks like. Got to put some lashes on. That's what took the longest, but we move. Okay, so Pearl says she's coming. I didn't think she'd come so quickly, but she's here. I'm trying to decide which shoe to wear. Whether I should wear this one or this one, this one or this one. But since my bag is sparkly and my earrings are sparkly, I think I'll wear this one. I haven't worn heels in a while, so Lord have mercy, I pray I don't fall.
I mean, it would have been nice. But the thing is, let's do the most. We have until 7:30.
Look at where my toes are. Look at where my toes are. Oh gosh, at least we're parked close. Finally, we've arrived. Checking in. Our vaccination certificates. It is what? Close to 6:30, so we're about 40 minutes late. But we moved, we're here, and we're ready to eat. Everyone is staring at us as per usual. Being blackouts in here.
I'm forgetting my number.
Rufaro, this should be you. Beautiful menu. Tatopenzwa mukona munomu. My tapenzwa pa back of the bus.
But at least when I was
there was a sekuru in the corner there who was looking at Peoti.
so much gila big, they must have been restaurant, you know? This looks fancy actually. The card. I don't know.
Wow. Do you want an entree?
Yeah, everything. We didn't come to play, you know? Today is the day. Enjoyment.
But we came 7 without one meal, time-wise.
Yeah, but I mean, they would want us to eat, you know?
So they specialize in meat here. African type food as well. There's prawns here, Portuguese prawns.
I saw that, but I think I'll probably, I don't know if I should go the brewers because, you know, like I can probably get it in Coles cheaper, but you know, I don't know. It looks nice with that chakalaka sauce, you know. They, you know.
Maize pap.
You know?
Saka ibruvas nesadza. See here, maize pap and corn.
Okay.
Saka bruvos nesadza is an entree.
Shall we try it?
I don't mind either the bruvos or the Portuguese prawns.
Same, those two are like, yeah, the two that caught my eye.
I got the lychee, something lychee love lychee. She got the passion pineapple something. We are still deciding what to get, what to eat.
It's really difficult, eh? It's hard, my guy.
Pearl wants some ribs, and then I want some salmon, but I also want some ribs, but I also want the Portuguese chicken breast. So there's that. I mean, the only option might be just to come back. Mine doesn't look as cute as yours.
Yours looks cute. What do you know?
Mine looks. What's going on?
Look at the lychees and stuff. The lychees. Us. When you're ready. 1, 2, 3, go.
The salmon with a salad as well.
So the salmon with salad, how do you like the salmon cooked?
Well done.
Any sauce inside?
No, that's fine.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Guys, this is actually like salsa. Look at the consistency. It's deep fried, but it is salsa for sure. Wow. Nasta tatora my salad, not my chips.
Where's like a healthy lifestyle? Only for like 2 seconds and then we move.
Where's the rest of the stuff? Tatora my shisha. Is yours my shisha chat or is it just mine?
I think you don't get me a chance. I'm going to watch my primacy. They want cucumber.
One tomato. One cucumber gajo. Love. Look at this huge bag that I got for this little takeaway thing. And there's my ball, my disco ball. We're just waiting out at Mina Micro, resting our feet before we walk to the car. This is what Melbourne looks like for those of you who don't really know Melbourne.
The Melbourne Street.
The Melbourne streets, Melbourne trams. This is what Melbourne sounds like on a Sunday afternoon. The weather has been, can't see me, the weather has been great. It's been really lovely weather. Yeah. Though most of us are going to be at work in the office, in buildings and artificial lighting. I guess that's how it is. So we're gonna go grab some ice cream and stuff like that. And yeah, I think now we'll walk over to our car and do the Bambi walk. Because we both we wore dinner shoes.
Yeah.
If you know, you know about dinner shoes. Dinner shoes are shoes that you wear sitting to walk into dinner, sit and walk back to the car. Dinner shoes. So these are dinner shoes. Kel has also got her dinner shoes on. So with our dinner so yeah, we're gonna head out. The comparison to what we wore compared to other people is different levels. Let's go. Guys, let me show you what the shoes. Pearls are a better example because hers are turning red. Look at that. Hey, yeah. Mine are not red, however.
Being light skin is not that cute.
It's giving you away.
Man, it hurts. It really hurts.
You know what? I think it's the fact that we haven't worn heels in a while.
Maybe.
That's what the issue is. Because if we had worn heels in a while, things would be okay. We wouldn't be feeling like this. But for me, the last time I wore heels was in lockdown. Not in lockdown, was my wedding. Oh, my honeymoon. That was the last time I wore heels.
Oh wow.
And it was like nothing, you know. It was all within the same vicinity. So
It's been a minute.
It's been a minute. So my feet are like, what's going on? Alright, let's move. It's on. New destination. We've come
heels things
to come
for the week.
We've come to get dessert. We're getting Churros, which is like a churro place. They always open late at night. We've come to South Moraine. You guys have seen me here before. So you've seen us here at Grilled. The weather has chilled a little bit, so
The vibes have changed.
the vibes has changed. There's a chill now, but we moved. Oh, I was getting confused with with Epping. Yeah. It's so lovely here. Let me show you. It's like a concrete playground or whatever. Hey. So this is Churros. We've got churros for two with salted caramel and milk chocolate, bananas, strawberries. The strawberries actually look good this time around. Sometimes the strawberries they give you be looking like they've been refrigerated for 12 days. Zungu, look at where our car is. Pale, you forgot where we parked.
I thought you knew exactly what I was like, hey, this is not where a car is. But listen, we've been walking on the way there.
We would have got to the end of the car park. I was like, hold on, this is a very long walk. It wasn't long this time around. Mate, all you want to do is sleep. I'm home. It's late. Not really, it's like 10. Just packing my work bag. The Uber people just came and like left my husband's food on the front door. I don't know whether they knocked or not, but when I got home the food was still outside. So I had got him some Uber Eats of some rice and Thai curry, red curry for him to have for dinner. So he hasn't eaten that yet. So yeah, just gonna start pick out my outfit for tomorrow. I might take a shower just to wash off everything and then go to bed.
Wash off what?
What?
What dirty things were you getting at?
I said wash off my makeup.
Look at this thing. Is this what? Why didn't you tell?